Hi there, welcome to Geoterrics Outdoors Australia. I made a recent purchase on Wish, again of course, of this particular knife here. It was advertised with survival and all sorts of other things, and I thought, oh, this could be quite fun to do a review on this knife. Let's see what it's actually got. It was a 7-in-1, and well, I don't know if you know my thoughts on survival knives and survival equipment, but let's have a quick look at this 7-in-1. In the ad, which I'll put up here, it was branded, but this one is unbranded, so I guess it's a no-name brand. But this knife has got a reasonable size to it, as you can see in my hand. The blade itself, that's that much cutting blade and this much serrated blade, which again is a one-sided serration, so you can file that with a round file. So one feature is the blade, 2 is the serration, 3 is the bottle opener, 4, which has a little magnet on the end, is actually a torch, but unfortunately it doesn't come with batteries, and I'll have to try to find what battery type that is. It didn't have it on the ad, so I think I need to make some experimentation. If you're in a survival situation or an outdoor situation, that may not stay there very long. The other feature it has is a fire flint, and I guess you can use part of the blade to see if you can light that flint. That's not real good. It's sparking. This is not particularly long, this flint here, and there's no other places I really think would be appropriate to strike it. But hey, it works, so let's call it that. One of the other features is a belt lopper, or if you're stuck in a vehicle and need to get your seat belt out, that will cut that. And another feature is use this to break windows if you're stuck in a car. So I'm not quite sure what the designers expect you to survive, but this is, let's have a quick count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-in-1 from Wish. Let's call that a partial win anyway. What I'll do now is test the blade on standard material, my little bit of pine here, and let's see the serrated blade cuts. Let's see what the straight blade, it's struggling. I guess it's the thickness of it, and where I can actually get a purchase here on the material. Let me see why. No, it doesn't like cutting. Let's see what it performs like outside, and we'll give it a review and a final score. Okay, so outdoors with the no-name survival knife, let's see how it performs. On a fairly seasoned piece of eucalypt, it didn't want to cut the pine, but it's only just shaving the eucalypt here, so it's struggling through this as well. It's not much of a blade, it's too thin to give any sort of deep cut. As far as the other features go, the torch with the unknown battery type and the fire starter, I think this is possibly a liability. I would not wear it with this belt clip, because once things start falling out, you're not going to be able to see it in the bush and in the undergrowth here. If you're going to use this knife at all, you'd be putting it in a pack you wouldn't be wearing it on your belt. Hey, if you've enjoyed this video, please share with like-minded friends. Please give us a comment if you have a different opinion, have the same opinion, if you've got something to add. Love to read the comments. Give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.